iPhone X becomes the world's best-selling smartphone. As we all know, Apple already launched its much-anticipated iPhone X smartphone. Well, the phone already created lots of demands because it carries a unique design and comes with some awesome technology. Just yesterday we have heard the prediction of a well-known analyst, Ming Chi-Kuo. Ming Chi-Kuo predicted that Apple's iPhone X will face end of life in summer 2018 and will not be retained after the new iPhone being launched. The reason behind this is that the Apple iPhone X sales were not as high as expected. However, it's now interesting to know that iPhone X just becomes the world's best-selling smartphone. According to the new research data shared by Canalys, Apple shipped 29 million iPhone X in the fourth quarter of 2017. With that record, iPhone X was the world's best-shipping smartphone model over the holidays. iPhone X shipments were the fastest ever for an iPhone because Apple decided to offer the device alongside the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. Apple was able to hit the 29 million number after a notable increase in production throughout November and December. Out of those 29 million iPhone X units that were shipped, Canalys says 7 million of those were shipped to China. China is the country where Apple is trying to increase its growth. However, the same reports also say that iPhone X sold well enough but not as expected. Most of the units were sold during its first few months of availability. So, what do you think about this? Share your views in the comment box below.